my first build for actual competition.
That's awesome.
I'm looking to double up on my Orions and do a couple little things. Like I said,
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Nice. Are these 8-inch ports?
Oh, yes, sir.
Wow. How deep are they, depth-wise?
I want to say like maybe I don't know. A little, I don't know. I'm not exactly sure.
About 18 inches?
Yeah, close to it. 16, 18.
Yep. Nice. Are these recons?
Those are actually, I had them custom built.
Okay.
They're SPL cone.
Yeah.
You got an 8-layer foil on it with SPL progressive spiders.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Built it pretty much for doing burps and stuff.
Yeah. That definitely helps on that, yeah.
I followed you a little bit with you got the silver.
The little smooth surface.
Yeah. I haven't done anything with the roof or any of that.
So this is all stock?
Yeah, it's all, yeah. The only thing I've done is the hatch.
The hatch,
I
okay.
just started. As you can see, my phone was a mess.
Yeah.
I did some hatch.
It'll make a mess, yeah.
I'm solid.
It'll help. All right, yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. And this is the is this on your subs?
Yes, sir. This is the HCCA 4500. You can leave that sticker out here if you want.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Nice. Looks good. I like it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. A good friend of mine, Gary Rogers, he helped me with this a little bit. You know, I still got a lot of work to do with it.
All right.
It's just built. I just switched from a single ZB5 to these two subs here.
Okay. Wow. How much lithium and electrical? What's your electrical like?
Right now, I'm running 4 AGMs. I got 2 excess power and 2 stingers. Okay. Yes,
All
sir.
right.
I have bought a 45 amp hour lithium bank yesterday, actually, here at the show.
Okay.
That will be coming soon.
All right. Nice.
Might just take me a second to get my Bluetooth
You're good.
going.
What was your SPL test results?
Right now, I ran Base Wars, and I also ran SPL. On the SPL, I think I did a 151.8. Sure.
Very nice. All right, that's good.
Yeah, I did 152, I think, and changed, if I'm not mistaken, at the Base Wars.
Okay.
And the SPLL I ran too.
All right.
But it's getting there, like I said, take a little time, it's a work in progress.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Trying to get it going.
Is it louder with the windows in the back open or closed?
Yes, actually, I can close them. It's not
Okay.
rain anyway. And I actually, if I release one,
You put yours down is a little louder?
yeah.
All right.
Get the Bluetooth going there.
All right. Very nice. Oh, this thing's going to be rattling a little bit when you play it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, this is a King Kong build. I have a custom bass knob built here. A good friend of mine, this is the project, King Kong. This is going to be the project.
King Kong, all right.
It's for Yukon.
Yes, sir. King Kong on a Yukon.
Yes, sir.
So is this at half ohm?
That is 1 ohm actually right
1
now.
ohm, okay.
But like I said, what I'm having issues with is my voltage. Yeah, so you should kick back on. If I
Okay.
drop down on my voltage with the AGMs,
Yeah.
that's where I'm at with that.
How low did your voltage drop?
I would say the 12s.
12s, okay.
Yeah. But once I get that lithium,
Yeah, oh yeah.
it's my first build for actual competition.
That's awesome.
I'm looking to double up on my Orions and do a couple little things. Like I said, we're definitely going lithium in the future.
Yes, sir.
I mean, we still got to do the roof. We have no deadener in there whatsoever except for the back half.
Oh yeah. Work in progress is the base headline.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we got of John's system at the Summer Showcase Jacksonville, Florida show. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Actually, it was pretty impressive to see how loud he got breaking a 152 dB and a no wall with a dual sub system on decent power. So 4500 watt. And I don't think he even had this amplifier wired down. So definitely getting all of the juice to these subs. And I think he's done a little bit of upgrades and changes since then. But I'm glad to share this video with 3 8-inch aero ports if you didn't catch that earlier. So usually when you have aero ports like this, it kind of helps you fine tune. You can adjust the length of them. And even if you want to, you can plug one of them to play lower. And it's a really good style of port to use for SPL testing as well. See a lot of SPL competitors use that. And notice how he had a little mini round over there with a PVC style. That actually helps a little bit with airflow velocity, and it could help a little bit with your SPL score. I've actually gained like 1/4 of a dB just by doing stuff like that. And bracing the roof helps as well. And it's not all about SPL for everybody, but it does want to get as loud as possible what you have. So try to do everything you can to see how loud you can get. Thank you for watching my videos. This is Jake Avile. Subscribe for daily videos and enjoy the demo.
Let's get it going.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I'm probably going to play something around 40, I guess. It's pretty good. I can give you, let's see.
Sorry.
Does it matter if the song has any words?
Whatever you want to do, man.
Alright,
As long as it's got bass, we're good.
Alright, good deal. The song's got a little bit of a bad
Mix.
word in it, but
It don't matter to me. I've heard everything.
At 33, we have amp protection going in place.
Yeah. So you have to restart it, like turn it on and back off?
Yeah, she'll restart. for actual competition.
That's
So,
awesome.
I'm looking to double up on my Orions and do a couple little things. They said we're definitely going lithium in
All
the
right.
future.
Yes, sir.
I mean, we still got to do the roof. We have no deadener in there whatsoever except for the back half.
Oh yeah, work in progress is the base headline.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you for watching.
I appreciate your
You're
video,
welcome,
man. It's
Yeah, man.
awesome.
You're welcome. I love it. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.